Welcome back. Prudent's expose on illegal disposal of medical waste at Ponda Sub-District Hospital forced the Pollution Control Board authorities to stop the hazardous act. Board issued summons to the medical superintendent and questioned him on the illegality. Prudent had exposed the hospital staff while dumping and burning medical waste in the locality. MLA Lavu Mamladar raised the issue in the assembly.
फाटल्या दिसांनी टीव्हीचेर न्यूज आयलो की मेडिकल वेस्ट एम्ब्युलन्सान भरून ते पयलीं आयडी हॉस्पिटल आशिल्लें हेल्थ हितून त्या एरियेन मेडिकल वेस्ट सगळे जाळपाक लागले. स्पीकर सर, एक सामकी खरी म्हणजे लज्जास्पद गोष्ट गव्हर्मेंट डिपार्टमेंटाक की ती मेडिकल वेस्ट हे जाळता ते.
That the officers from the Goa State Pollution Control Board conducted a site inspection on two different occasions. On the first occasion, they found that actual dumping and burning of biomedical waste was actually happening, and even though there was a shredder, it was not being used. So accordingly, instructions were issued by the Pollution Control Board to do the needful, and again it was found that no action was taken by the medical superintendent, and therefore he was issued summons by the Goa State Pollution Control Board, and accordingly Dr. M. Mohandas, medical superintendent of Sub-District Hospital Ponda, there was a hearing held at which he was present, and the board was informed that they have now stopped burning of biomedical waste within the premises, and they have also installed the shredder. The board will be conducting at least another 2 inspections to ensure that no biomedical waste is being dumped within the premises, nor it is burnt, and that the shredder is in operation.
Home Minister Parrikar has assured to complete probe in GCA land scam and misappropriation case and file a charge sheet by March. Crime branch is probing the scam based on GCA's inquiry committee report. MLA Rohan Khaute and Vijay Sardesai had raised the issue on GCA scam report and its status. Parrikar said scam worth crores has taken place while transferring IT department's land to the GCA.
There was a complaint of misappropriation of funds and other irregularities in GCA, and the main accused in both the areas which was put was Mr. Dayanand Narvekar. Committee report 2 महिन्यान केलो. आता जवळ 16 महिने झाले. It is running within the government. Was this a way to throw Narvekar out to get a new GCA committee? There were gross irregularities noted.
जेन्ना तुम्ही misappropriation केला अशें prima facie accept करतात, तेन्ना तुमचे कडेन proof आहा की पैसे ताजे अकाउंटांतल्यान GCA अकाउंटांतल्यान ताजे अकाउंटांत गेल्या, ओ कॉन्ट्रॅक्टरांनी ताका पैसे दिल्या, चॅक ताणें सायन केल्या, हें कितें प्रूफ तुमचे कडेन आसा? आनी ना जाल्यार मिसएप्रोप्रिएशन तें कशें जालें?
एज्युकेशन डिपार्टमेंटची जमीन काडून आयटीक दिवन आयटी कडच्यान ती GCAक दिल्या, ती इल्लीगल दिल्या. इट्स अ फ्रॉड गिविंग दॅट लँड. तो पळय ग्रावंड खेळटा पळय ते ताजेर स्पेंड पैसे गेल्या हाणें आयटीन. दॅट इज अनदर फ्रॉड. जी जमीन पळय थंय घेवच नासली हांगा सुकूर, त्या जमनीच्या निमतान 10 कोटी 98 लाख रुपया मेळ्ळ्या. ते तिसरें फ्रॉड. तिनूय गजाली क्रायम ब्रँचीक दिल्ल्यो आसा. आय वील एक्सपिडायट. तूं पळय मिसएप्रोप्रिएशन म्हणटा तो रिपोर्ट सद्या फायल म्हजे कडेन आहा.
ना म्हजे कडेन हांगा आहा, RTIंतल्यान मेळ्ळो.
तो म्हजे कडेन सद्या आसा फायल.
तातूंत मिसएप्रोप्रिएशन म्हणजे उतारूच ना.
ताजें कारण तांच्यांनी गुळमुळीत कितें केलां. आमी त्या काकाक चड भितर इन्वेस्टिगेशन करपाक हांवें डायरेक्शन दिलां, पण त्या मिसमॅनेजमेंटा बरोबर देर इज अ मिसमॅनेजमेंट ऑफ गव्हर्मेंट फंड ऑल्सो बाय द सेम कमिटी हेडेड बाय मिस्टर दयानंद नार्वेकार. March 31st, 2014, I will see that the matter is closed, investigation is closed and charge sheets filed.
Dreaded history shooter Michael Fernandez once again succeeded in escaping from the Aguada jail on Tuesday afternoon. Michael jumped off a 3-meter-high fencing wall and eloped when he was brought back to Aguada jail after a routine medical checkup. A massive manhunt for Michael Fernandez has been launched now in the terrains of Fort Aguada.
Michael Fernandez is a dreaded criminal on run. He is involved in more than 30 criminal cases in Goa and neighboring states. An extensive manhunt has been launched in the surrounding areas of Aguada jail. Marine police is also searching this history shooter. Police officials had handed over Michael Fernandez to jail authorities. Thereafter, Michael managed to escape. Michael jumped off a 3-meter-high compound wall and disappeared. Police combing operation continued till late evening. Sham Sundar Fatte for Prudent.
The Sheikh allotment for South Goa Sheikh Owners Association has been postponed. The allotment will be held on Wednesday. The president of Sheikh Owners Welfare Society, Cruz Cardozo, informed that allotment was postponed following complaints from the Sheikh applicants. 238 North Goa Sheikh owners were allotted sheikhs on Monday.
This season too, the shack allotment does not seem going smoothly. Shack owners from North Goa had earlier opposed lots and now the postponement of allotment in South Goa. The allotment has been postponed to Wednesday. It was earlier scheduled on Tuesday.
The problem is that थोड्यांनी कंप्लेन केल्या की थोडे शेक ओनरांकडे एम्प्लॉयमेंट आहा म्हणून दुसरो एम्प्लॉयमेंट आहा म्हणून आता कितें तूं शेकाक एप्लाय करतलो जाल्यार तुजकडे दुसरो एम्प्लॉयमेंट आसपा जायना थोड्यांची एशे करून कोणे एप्लिकेशन दिल्ली आहा आपण विथड्रॉ जाता म्हणून आपल्याक कॉन्टेस्ट करपा नाका म्हणून तेका लागून ते आता ते विथड्रॉ करून एप्लिकेशन दिला पण ते थिंगा प्रेझेंट आसप ना सो तेका लागून ते फाल्यां दवरला मागीर फाल्यां कितल्यांक जातले आता फाल्यां 11 o'clock एट मिरामार रेसिडेन्सी.
Lokik Shilkar for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.